Hi everyone. If your phone suddenly has no sound or the volume is super low, even 100%, don't scroll away just yet. Whether you're using a Samsung like this Galaxy S22 Ultra or a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone, this phone has something for you. This video, has something for you. Stick around because I'll show you how to fix it step by step based on your phone brand. And trust me, the fix might be simpler than you think. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. It helps me keep making videos like this for you. So for Samsung Galaxy phones, you go to settings. You start by going to settings and you tap sounds and vibration and you click sound check sound mode and you check sound mode. Make sure it's not set to mute or vibrate. Make sure it's set to sound and you tap volume and you drag all the sliders. You drag it all the sliders media, you drag them all up, right? And you go back and you go to sound quality and effects and you turn off Dolby. You turn off this Dolby if it's on. Sometimes it can interfere with clarity. Still not working after you do this, then you go to device care, then you go to settings and you scroll to find device care right here, and you go to device care and you go to diagnostics. This is diagnostics and you do a speaker test. So when the diagnostic open, you go to here and you find your speaker here, speaker, and you start the test. But we're not doing that now, so you follow the. If that didn't help, then you try your phone in safe mode. Google how to go into safe mode for your phone to check if a third-party app is causing the issue. And now for Tecno, Infinix, Itel, all of that, Xiaomi, all other Android phones, you go to settings and you tap sound and vibration, and you make sure volume sliders are turned up, media, ring, notification. Check if do not disturb is on. If yes, turn it off. Restart the phone. Sometimes a temporary glitch is the cause. Check for software updates. A recent bug might have affected sound. If it's still not working, go to settings, accessibility, hearing enhancements, and reset sound balance. You can also plug in and remove headphones. It sometimes refreshes the audio drivers. And now for iPhones, use volume up button. Make sure it's not muted. Check silence switch on the left. Flip it if it's changed, if it's orange. Go to settings, sounds and haptics. Turn up the ringer and alert volume. Check do not disturb or focus mode. Disable if on. Restart your phone. If it's still not working, go to settings, accessibility, audio/visual, and balance. Try plugging in and removing headphones. As a last resort, reset all settings. Under settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap reset.